In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic coupon codes in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating dynamic coupon codes can enhance your marketing campaigns by providing personalized offers to your customers. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar menu. From there, click on Content and then select Coupons from the submenu that appears. This is where all the magic happens. When you reach the Coupons page, you'll find a button in the top right corner that says Create Uploaded Coupon. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the coupon setup area. Now it's time to configure the details of your coupon. First, you'll need to give your coupon a name. I recommend using something clear and recognizable, like Welcome Discount. This helps ensure that you can easily locate the coupon later when you're crafting your emails. Consistency in your naming style is key here. Next up, you'll need to set the minimum coupon count. This is crucial because it determines how many unique codes Klaviyo needs to hold for your campaign. Think about your intended audience size and make sure this number is sufficiently high so you don't run out of codes halfway through your campaign. After that, you'll need to set the expiration for your coupon codes. Consider how long you want these codes to remain valid. You can select a fixed calendar date, which is fantastic for those limited time holiday sales, or you might prefer a rolling time frame, like after 1 year. This option is particularly ideal for evergreen welcome emails or post-purchase flows, where you want to keep offering incentives to new customers over time. Once you've filled out all these details, take a moment to review your settings. When you're ready, just click on the Create Coupon button. Klaviyo will then save your coupon block, making it available for you to insert dynamically into your emails. This can be done either via code snippet or through block settings when you're in the email design phase. And that's it! You've successfully created dynamic coupon codes in Klaviyo. Dynamic coupons not only keep your emails engaging, but also encourage customers to make purchases, enhancing your conversion rates. Remember, the more personalized you can be, the better your chances of converting those leads into loyal customers. So, that wraps up our tutorial for today. If you enjoyed this tip and found it valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content